Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to dive into a very useful feature on Twitter lists. They're a fantastic way to organize and streamline your Twitter experience. Stick around and by the end of this video, you'll be a list master. First things first, let's get started on creating a list. Head over to your profile and click on Lists. Then, hit the Create List button. Give it a name and description, choose whether it's public or private, and voila! You've got yourself a list. Now, let's add some people or accounts to your list. Simply go to their profile, click on the three dots next to the Follow button, and select Add or Remove from Lists. Choose the list you want to add them to, and you are all set. Managing your lists is a breeze. You can edit the list details, remove members, or even delete the list entirely. It's all up to you and how you want to curate your Twitter experience. So there you have it, folks. Lists are an incredible tool to streamline your Twitter feed and stay organized. Whether it's keeping up with industry leaders, tracking news, or connecting with friends, lists have got you covered. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy tweeting.